Today we're going to do a deep dive into Solana, often hailed as the fastest blockchain out there. We'll explore what makes Solana unique, its applications, which companies have adopted it, and some exciting projects built on this platform. So let's get going. So what is Solana? Solana, or SOL which is the symbol you can look up on TradingViews, was conceived by Anatolia Yakovic in 2017. I totally butchered his name. I do apologize. He's from Ukraine. He studied at the University of Illinois, so he's got a very deep education. He officially launched the Solana in March of 2020. It's uniquely dubbed as the Ethereum killer because it aims to do anything Ethereum does, but with greater efficiency, and here's why. Performance. Solana can process up to 50,000 transactions per second, which is light years ahead of Ethereum's current capacity. This is achieved through a unique blend of consensus mechanisms, proof of stake combined with what is called proof of history. What is proof of history, you may ask? This is a novel approach where Solana uses verifiable timestamps to order transactions, reducing the need for complex internode communications, thus speeding up the process. Wow, that's a lot of complexity there. Bottom line is proof of history speeds up the process, which is one of the advantages over Ethereum. Cost effectiveness. This is a big thing on Ethereum. When you do a transaction, it is costly to do so. Transaction fees on Solana are incredibly low and often just cost effectiveness. Transaction fees on Solana are incredibly low, often just fractions of a cent due to its high throughput and efficiency design. That is so big over Ethereum. If you've ever done a transaction on Ethereum, it is costly to do so. Now let's look at how Solana is being used. One, in DeFi, or decentralized finance. Because of its quick transactional and the amount of transactions it can do, it's very high speed for trading. NFTs, you probably have heard of them years ago or a couple of years ago. They were the big thing. People were buying pictures of monkeys and this kind of thing. Well, with NFTs, NFTs has become a powerful powerhouse for trading NFTs thanks to Solana's low fees, speed, making it accessible for artists and collectors. So it's an easy platform to use. Gaming, this is a big thing, I know, with a lot of generations. The platform's capabilities are leveraged by games like Sonic, where Solana's quick transactions enhance gameplay and asset management. And then on mobile, this is big because we all carry a phone with us. Solana has ventured into mobile with Solana Mobile Stack for Android developers and the Solana Saga phone, which is integrating crypto functionality directly into the mobile phone. So think about it, the whole blockchain thing in essence is just growing everywhere. So it's now in gaming, it's now in mobile. You're seeing more applications being built on this platform. And recently, the Trump coin came out, the meme coin came out, and it was built on Solana. So this is becoming a viable platform for which to build apps, to build transactions because of its speed and its efficiency. So Solana's speed and scalability have caught the eye of several big names. Crypto exchanges like Bitcoin or Coinbase, Binance US, and Kraken are a handful that have built projects and their platforms on Solana. Payment processing, Visa has partnered with Solana for USDC transactions, aiming to streamline payments. If you're not familiar with stablecoins, get familiar with them. It's a cheap way, very inexpensive way to move money from one place to another without going through a banking system. And Visa recognizes this and they want a piece of that business. And then the Solana Foundation. This organization plays a critical role by supporting developers and projects through grants, furthering the innovation of this platform. So it's a very community-based platform to develop this, and Solana has built a foundation to support that and help fund that overall. To wrap up, Solana stands out for its speed, its scalability, and its growing ecosystem. It's not without its challenges with past network outages, but its potential for revolutionizing blockchain throughout the world is just immense. If you're interested in the future of blockchain technology, check out Solana. I'm going to continue to do these brief videos on blockchain, on cryptocurrencies, to explain what they are. I did one on Ripple just recently. You can click the link just above and check it out. It is another payment processing system that was also adopted by American Express, JP Morgan Chase, and a handful of others. This is all about speed, and Solana is leading the charge when it comes to transactions per second speed, its efficiency, and its affordability. Ethereum is starting to fall behind. Even though it's the number 2 biggest, largest market cap cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, Solana is one of the up-and-coming cryptocurrencies that's challenging Ethereum's reign on payment processing. So check it out. Stay tuned. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Share it with a friend. And if you'd like to learn more about Best of US Investors, check out the link for the Platinum channel where we get into all this. We also are starting to track the daily price ranges as well, using the daily price range projections. Solana is one of those as part of the 12, and that'll be introduced here soon, where you can track the day-to-day price movements, especially if you're a short-term trader or a intermediate trader. You can use the price range projection worksheet to determine where a good time stock entry point is. Is it on the low end or high end? And I'll explain a lot more of that if you hit the link below to understand more about that, along with our weekly swing trading ideas, our technical education, and our Friday meetups on the Platinum channel. So be a subscriber. Check us out. We're giving you a 14-day free trial. In the meantime, always be curious, and always live loud. See ya.